What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to watch the Premier League on your PC even if you're facing geographical restrictions. Football fans around the world look forward to catching all the action from the English Premier League, but finding a legal streaming platform can be a challenge, especially outside the UK, US, Australia and New Zealand. However, there's no need to worry if you're not in these countries. A virtual private network, or VPN, is here to save the day. A VPN like Privado VPN can help you spoof your online location to bypass geo-blocks, allowing you to access live Premier League matches from anywhere in the world. While it's challenging to watch Premier League for free due to broadcasting rights, using a reliable VPN can give you access to legal streaming platforms that broadcast these matches. Privado VPN stands out for its fast speeds, reliable connections, and servers in key countries, making it a great choice for streaming sports. Plus, it supports a variety of devices, including PCs, mobile devices, and smart TVs, ensuring you can watch Premier League on your preferred device. Click on the link in the description to receive a huge discount and Privado VPN for 3 months for free. You'll also be able to refund your subscription at any time. Make sure to sign up, and then you'll have the option to download the Privado VPN app on your PC, Mac, or mobile device. Follow the install instructions to get Privado VPN up and running on your device. Once installed, open Privado VPN and log into your account. Select a server location where the Premier League is available for streaming. For instance, if you're planning to use a US-based service, choose a US server. For watching the Premier League, Peacock TV is a great option in the US, offering an affordable subscription and a 7-day free trial. If you encounter any streaming issues, check for IP leaks and ensure your VPN connection is secure. Clearing your browser's cache and cookies can also help, especially if the streaming service saved your location. Privado VPN offers 24/7 customer support, so don't hesitate to reach out if you need assistance. Remember, while using a VPN to access content is legal, always make sure to respect the streaming service's terms of service. By following these steps, you'll be able to enjoy live Premier League matches on your PC from anywhere in the world. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.